Hey, everybody. I hope you are all doing great and that you had a great Thanksgiving and are looking forward to Christmas. I know it's coming up real quick, a few weeks away now. We're going to start right now and just going to take a little break, say hi to Lexi, and we're going to start with this disaster kitchen. This was the day after Thanksgiving, and let me tell you, we had a lot of dishes. We had Thanksgiving over at my brother's house this year. We normally host Thanksgiving, but this year we changed it up a bit and we went on over there. So right now I'm just going to get started putting away all these clean dishes from the counter that I had hand washed previous day. And then we're going to head straight into putting the dishes from the dishwasher away. As you can see, there's a lot, and I'm just going to put on some fun music and I'm going to let you guys clean along and let's do this. Let's get this mess cleaned up. Okay, almost done here. I just want to get everything wiped up. I made a nice big wet mess everywhere. And I want to get everything wiped down, cleaned up, dried up, and reset over there. Next, we're going to grind up some coffee beans. We bought these coffee beans at Costco, and they're okay. I'm trying to replace the Starbucks, and let me tell you, I'm having a hard time. I'm having a hard time finding something that I really like that's as good as Starbucks. So let me know if you guys have any good recommendations for a good organic, clean grown coffee bean that you could roast or not roast, but brew at home. that would be great because we've tried a bunch and this is okay. I like it okay, but it's just not the same. I can't seem to find something that I like. So put your suggestions down in the comments below if you don't mind. I would really appreciate it. And, we can share with others. Maybe somebody else is looking for a new coffee too. Anyways, after this, I'm going to go ahead and get everything put away, clean up a bit, wet down all of the extra coffee, and then we're going to restock our onions, get those things put away. Then we're going to pick up a few things that we purchased at Costco, some pajamas and socks, and we're going to get those put away. And we're going to fold up some laundry, tidy up the couple of rooms, and let's do this. Let's do it together. Play some fun music again, and see you soon. She's so funny. Every time I go to straighten up her bed or put away all her toys, she's like, "Hey, that's mine. What are you doing? Don't touch it. What are you doing?" She's cute. She's so happy. She's the sweetest little thing. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get all these shoes that I've gathered here at the front door and get them put away where they need to go. I'm leaving a couple for quick reference to grab and go. Meh. Man, I can't talk today. We've been helping the neighbors out, so we've been over there quite a bit throughout the day for a few days. Anyways, this is our little stand by the back door where we usually come in and all our shoes are stored that we use on a regular basis. And I'm going to go ahead and put my shoes away, and then I'm going to get started with the laundry once again. I have loads to fold, the bed to make. I'm going to get these towels folded and put away, and then we'll continue on. So let's do this. Okay, this is the last thing I'm going to do for this video here today, except I'm going to show you a cute little tablescape that I got for our family here, and I picked up most of these things from the Dollar Tree. Everything but the chargers are from the Dollar Tree. The chargers are from Hobby Lobby. And that's it. I think that it's super cute, and I hope you guys are doing great. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.